Video. Salitan ng mga server. Okay. So, hello daw. 7 pa rin yung tao dito. Suggest natin mag-start. Para madali ito. Start na. Pilipino to guys. Nasa Pilipino server tayo. Okay. Merong nilif. Dito. Hey, where you going? Tagal naman. Okay, so wablikan ko na lang kayo kapag nandun na tayo. Okay, so na-start na din tayo ay isang roommate. Okay, are we in? Okay, we are recording. Uy, walang tas. Oh, there we go. Navigation. Boom. Trolling. Nope, you didn't say anything. Ay, ano ba yan? Yung gusto. Ah! Army 1. Oh, yan. Start agad. And 1 minute na tayo nagre-record. Wala. Crewmate! 2 imposter against us. So, susundan ko to si Green. Susundan natin si Green. Hey, Green. Wait for me. I'm going to follow this Green. What are you doing, Green, huh? Oh. Why? Trolling na naman. Diba trolling? Nakabantay kami ni Boss General. Blue! Bulbo. I follow Green. Escape. Trick. Sino sinasabihan? Sama ba na kayo sa amin? Okay. So, what? Ang tagal naman. What is that? Red? Si Goku boy nag-Chinese na. Dibo. I'm going to escape. Escape. 2-3 minutes na. Oh, di nagbot sa akin. We are going down. Let's go. Imposter reminder. Dito sa admin, meron tayo yung swipe card. Ay, too fast lang. Yan, slow. Galing din no ng... Ay. This is kind of suspicious. I'm going to follow Green, guys. He's kind of suspicious. What are you doing in there, huh? You two, who are you? Oh, Army 1 is here. Reporting for duty, sir. Oh no, oxygen depleted. Let's go, run. We need to run. Fix this. Fix. Someone fix. Yeah, I can fix it. 5, 7, 4, 8, 3. Fix it. Fix. Nice. Fix. So, punta tayo sa electrical. Oy. What are you doing? Oh! Namatay si Black. Saan? Pagkasama kasi ni Green eh. White to white. White to white. White. Nisabotage niya para pupunta kami dun sa oxygen, makapatay siya. White. I have proof. Magkasama sila. You were with Black. Yes, he's with Black. You went to Medbay. What, bro? Event in Medbay. CCTV is still killer zone. Sabi ko. Ay, naku. What? Ako yung living out. Si Puli. Sino pala yung impostor? Tignan natin. Si Army talaga to eh. Ay, naku, Army. Titignan natin ka. Bruh. Oh, diba sabi ko sa iyo si Army? Species. Sa'yo. I'm a spy. I'm a spy. Cadet 1, 2, 3. Cadet 1, 2, 3. Ay, wala na time para mag-change na skin. What happened? There we go. Crewmate. Sorry for the lagging. Oh, it's happening. Okay, so we're going here. Oh, the lights went off. Oh. Come on, let me see. You're the imposter. Okay, so that was very fast. Probably nag-double kill. Red raw. Okay, red raw. Pagtiwalaan si General. Ay, naku, ang tagal. naman. Naman. Walay, naku po. Ang tagal. Hindi nila dito itutuloy. No, do not look that. Okay, so this is how to download Minecraft. Okay, so this is how you download Among Us Minecraft. Search Minecraft. Wait a minute. Minecraft APK. So then press the first link. Ito yan. Ito nakikita, diba? Ito yan, yung Wait lang. Wait lang. This one. Kita nyo ba? This one. See? This one. Kita nyo ba? Lang ha? Ay, paano na ito? What is happening? Yes, this one. Ito, may sticker na nilagyan ko ng red. Ay! Yan. Ito. Yan na yung may red. Yan. Huwag na yung mga download Minecraft. Okay. Ito na guys, ito na yung i-download nyo. Huwag na yung mga nether update. Ito na, wala to. Hindi ko sure kung meron itong virus. Pero, nasubukan ko na to eh. Ito na. Another phone. Okay, so ano bang gagawin natin? Gusto magtanaw ng mga monster truck toys. Yun eh. Tabangis. Uy. Tignan nyo to. Oh my god. Dang. Very nice. Look at the monster truck. Say, what's happening? No signal. No, cannot be. What's happening? No. I want to look images. Ito, dami. Ang ganda, boy. Ay, ito. Sa babay tayo. Wala, hindi tayo. Ayan o. Kamatad mail to. Okay, so ito na yung goodbye guys. So baka bukas mag Minecraft video tayo. Guess bibigyan ko yan ng hit. Ano ang content bukas, yung ibuyog. Kung nanonood kayo ng ibuyog, Solomon, sana bumalik ka pa, Solomon. Goodbye.